Right now, there are YouTube Shorts and TikTok pages getting millions of views and thousands of subscribers just by telling short football stories, powered by artificial intelligence. Some of these channels literally went from 0 to over 1 million subscribers in a very short time. For example, one of these channels has already pulled over 1 billion views, earning anywhere between $1,000 to $26,000 per month. And on TikTok, another page has gained over 800,000 followers, pulling in millions of views every single month. And the craziest part? These videos insanely engage the audience. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these football story videos step by step, so you can start attracting massive views across social media. But first, let's look at the type of content we'll be creating.
Did you know that Cristiano Ronaldo's son has multiple options when it comes to choosing a national team to play for? Cristiano Jr. was born in San Diego, California, so he's eligible to represent the USA. Having spent 8 years in Spain while his dad played for Real Madrid, Spain is another option. Cristiano Jr.'s great-grandma was from Cape Verde in Africa, making him eligible.
Step 1. Create the football story script. First, go to YouTube and search for FC Motivate. Pick any video that interests you. Copy the video link and paste it into an online video transcriber to extract the text. Then, go to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. I will give you one example of transcripts of football players' stories. I want you to create random stories like these. Make sure to have "did you know" or any catchy phrase at the start. It should only be one paragraph made of 50 words. Then, paste the transcribed text and click Generate. This helps you understand the structure and storytelling style that makes these videos go viral. Step 3. Generate the voiceover using Google AI Studio. Now it's time to create the voiceover. Go to Google AI Studio and click on One-Person Speech. Choose the name Uris for your voiceover. Next, input a proper prompt for this type of video. Once done, copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it. Click Generate, and the AI will create a human-like voiceover for you. Always listen to the audio to make sure you're happy with the quality. Step 4. Download relevant images. This step is very simple. Go to Google and search for images related to your topic. For example, if your video is about Erling Haaland, search for Erling Haaland and download them. Or you can simply download them from Pinterest if you like. After downloading, listen to your voiceover and select images that match each part of the story. Make sure every image is relevant to what's being said. Step 5. Edit the video in CapCut. Open your editing software. I'll be using CapCut. Import all your files. Drag the voiceover into the timeline, zoom in and remove any pauses or silent parts. Next, bring in your images and arrange them according to the voiceover. Change the video ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Resize images to properly fit the screen. Add zoom in and zoom out. Step 6. Add transitions and music. To make the video more engaging, add transitions between images. Click the transition icon, go to Overlay, and choose any transition you like. There's no right or wrong choice, just stay consistent. Next, add background music. Reduce the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Step 7. Add captions, very important. In CapCut, click Text, select Auto Captions, choose your language, and click Generate. Once captions are created, go to Caption Templates, pick a style you like, increase the font size, I usually keep it at 15, and adjust the scale until it looks clean. Click Export and you're done. There you have it. This is what I created. Please remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Did you know Erling Haaland once rejected trials because of his farming childhood? Growing up in Bryn, Norway, he trained on frozen pitches, lifting stones for strength. His father, Alfie, advised patience. After setbacks at Molde and Salzburg, his explosive rise at Dortmund and Manchester City shocked Europe. Worldwide fans.